Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the wrecked doors on my 2008 BMW 528i that I wasted my stimulus check on. So it is 8 o'clock this morning on my way to Harbor Freight to pick up some Torx sockets and some Torx bits because BMW for some reason decided that they needed to use different bolts than the rest of the world. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I found the problem to our trunk latch not working. This is the motor that powers the latch to come open when you hit the button. This little motor sits in here, and there's a little gear that's inside here that's underneath this arm right here. And when you hit the switch, it powers the motor spins, moves this, and it moves that, and it unlatches. So I have my jumper cables right here, two little wires coming off. This is a 12-volt motor, so it was okay to just go ahead and try to test it off my battery over there. Well, I would touch positive in the ground and I'd hear like a tiny little click, but this thing would not spin. I pulled it out of there, and you can just tell by trying to spin it, it is like nasty in there. Pretty sure water probably got in there and ruined this motor. So I ordered a new latch because this one is totally crapped out. So we got a new latch on the way. I'm gonna not mess with that until it gets here, and I'm gonna move on to removing the door panels from the door. I'm gonna remove these door panels before taking them off the car because it'd be easier to remove these while it's on the car. So we can actually take the doors off the car and transfer everything over to our new doors. All right, one door down. It kind of looks like this door actually belongs on this car because you got these white scrapes here and then white scrapes here. Maybe we'll take it to Mako and give it a paint job. All right, one more door. That was easy enough. So I'm gonna have to transfer the window motor from the old door into this one, transfer the window into there, the mirror, the door handle. They lowered the price on this one too because it's missing all that stuff. So they're $150 a piece. Can't complain. So I'm gonna get started taking that door panel off and swapping the doors out. All right, so we got the driver door panel off. Now I'm gonna start removing all of the these brackets in here and the motor, this frame or whatever you call it, the window frame. We're gonna pull all of that out, and then we should be able to pull the window out somehow. I think it can come out the front side, maybe. I don't know, maybe not. But I'm gonna work on getting all of this stuff taken out of here, and then we can transfer it over to the other door. So we got our new door on here, our new to us door, and the car doesn't look near as wrecked. All the dents are gone. Well, anyways, I need to clean out the inside of this door before I start putting stuff in there, because you can see there's a whole bunch of junk in there, trash, dirt. Aw, makes me feel special. Like, that actually makes me feel good. Well, that's trash. I'm gonna start cleaning this door out. I'm I'm gonna remove this wiring harness and put that wiring harness in, because I'm pretty sure this one has been getting rained on. It is not gonna be any good. So pull out that wiring harness and start putting the stuff from the other door in there. Thing I don't like about this door is the weather stripping up here is cracked in a few spots. And it's not like I can just pull this off and replace it, because it is glued on there. If I try to replace it, it's never gonna look right again. So it'll just always peel off. These things are like impossible to keep on there once the glue comes off. So we're just gonna leave this. We'll wipe it down, make it look clean, but that's about it. I don't understand why BMW does this. Up top, we have one of these Torx bolts, and then down low, we have a normal 10mm bolt. I had to go get a special socket to get on this one because it was too big for the other ones I bought today. So this fits on this Torx screw, and it also fits on this Torx bolt down, or this normal bolt down here. Why do they use two different types of bolts on one part? Like, why can't you use the same bolt here and there? But we're getting the motor taken out of the old door. This is the old door, and we're gonna be putting it in over there in a minute. All right, so the doors are on the car. They're completely assembled. Check this out. Oh yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the markings that are on the doors. The only thing left to fix as far as the body goes is the latch in the trunk, and I ordered that earlier today. So the trunk will be working probably next week, but for now I can just use the key to open it. Everything's pretty much fixed on the car besides the engine. We need to clean it up, and probably gonna put in valve cover gasket and this VVT solenoid gasket. I believe this is where it's mainly leaking at. We're gonna take some of the, it's like the intake cam and the exhaust cam solenoids off. Might either replace those or clean them. I've seen people clean them, and I've seen people say replace them, don't clean them, because I don't know, they just say not to clean them because it doesn't work or something. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so there's two, see if I can put my light over here, where these two wire harnesses go in. There's one coming in here and then one coming up right there. Both of those are a solenoid. One's for your intake cam and one's for the exhaust, but you can pull it out of there and clean it up or replace it. That might be the issue with this thing running rough. I believe this is the main leak that we're having, is underneath this gasket here, because all of the oil is pooled up right down in there, right around this gasket up here. We're gonna go ahead and well, not on this video, on the next video we're gonna go ahead and start removing all of the stuff on top of this valve cover, and we're just gonna clean up the valve cover, get all that nasty oil off of there, and replace the gaskets, and hopefully that'll fix our problem. And just like that, this one is over. I will catch you on the next video of this Copart BMW that I wasted my stimulus check on. Make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and I will catch you on the next one.